students, let's solve exercise 6.5. First question of exercise 6.5 is PQR is a triangle right angled at P. If PQ is equal to 10 centimeter and PR is equal to 24 centimeter, find QR. To solve this sum, first we have to draw the figure, then only we can solve this sum. So students, let's solve question number 1 of exercise 6.5. So students, let's solve question number 1. In this question, triangle PQ and R is given. This is a right angle triangle, and in this right angle triangle, angle P is equal to 90 degree. And side PR is of 24 centimeter and side PQ is of 10 centimeter. That is already given in the question. And you have to find out QR. This is QR is a hypotenuse. So, in triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90 degree, that I have already told you. And QR is the hypotenuse. QR is the hypotenuse because as you all know that the angle opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, QR square is equal to PR square plus PQ square. See, QR square is equal to PR square plus PQ square. Now, in place of PR, I will write 24 and in place of PQ, I will write 10. So, QR square is equal to 24 square because in place of PR, I have written 24. And in place of PQ, I will write 10. 10 square, 24 square plus 10 square. Now 24 square, that is equal to 576. So QR square is equal to 576 plus 10 square is equal to 100. How can you find out the value of 24 square? By multiplying 24 into 24, we will get 576, and by multiplying 10 into 10, we will get 100. So, QR square is equal to 576 plus 100. Now, students, 576 plus 100, that is equal to 676. Now, to solve this, QR square is equal to 676. Now, in the question, it is asked that what is the value of QR. They have not asked that what is the value of QR square. So, we have to remove this square. To remove this square, what we have to do is, of what number is this 676 square? So that square can be cancelled. To find out the square of this 676, we have to find out the LCM of 676. So 2 338 times is equal to 676. Again 2 169 times is equal to 338. Then 13 times is equal to 169 and 13 ones are 13. We can make pair of them, 13 into 2 and 13 into 2. So 13 into 2 is equal to 26. Now 13 into 2 is equal to 26. So we can say that 26 into 26 is equal to 676. So student, we can write 26 square in place of 676 because 26 square is equal to 676. Now QR square is equal to 26 square. Now the square cancel. Therefore, the value of QR is equal to 26 centimeter, and that is what we have to find out. We have to find out the value of QR, that is equal to 26 centimeter. Now student, let's solve question number 2 of exercise 6.5, and that is ABC is a triangle right angled at C. If AB is equal to 25, centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter, find BC. Students, to solve this sum, first I have to draw a figure of this question. I have to draw a triangle ABC. See, I have already drawn it, A, B and C. In this triangle, this is a right angle triangle at angle C. So, at angle C, it is 90 degree. Now, AB is equal to 25 centimeter, that is already given in the question. So, AB is equal to 25 centimeter. AB is a hypotenuse and it is given 25 centimeter in the question. And AC is equal to 7 centimeter. This AC is equal to 7 centimeter, that is also given in the question. And now you have to find out BC, this one, BC. I have put X as BC. The value of BC is equal to X. I have supposed it. So, now let's solve it. So, in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Line segment AB is the hypotenuse. Line segment AB is the hypotenuse. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus CB square. AB square is equal to AC square. AC square plus CB square. Now, in place of AB, I will write 25 square because the value of AB is 25 given in the question. 25 square plus in place of AC, I will write 7 square because the value of AC is 7, that is given in the question, and plus X square. Now, this. Therefore, X square can be 25 square minus 7 square. This will move here. So, 25 square minus 7 square. So, X square is equal to 25 square, that is equal to 625. 25 is multiplied by 25, the value will be 625 minus 7 sevens are 49. Now 625 minus 49, that comes to be, therefore X square is equal to 576. Now student, again we have to find out that number which is the square of 576. To find out that, we have to take out the LCM of 576. Now 288 times is equal to 576. Again 144 times is equal to 288. 12 12s are 144 and 12 1s are 12. Now we will make pair of them, 12 into 2 and 12 into 2. So 12 into 2, that is equal to 24. 12 into 2 is equal to 24. So we can say that 24 into 24, that is equal to 576. So student, in place of 576, we can write 24 square. So X square is equal to 24 square. Now again this square cancel. So value of X is equal to 24. And as you know that I have supposed that BCB or BC is equal to X. So therefore BC is equal to 24 centimeter, and this is the answer of question number 2. So students, let's solve question number 3, exercise 6.5. Question number 3 states that a 15-meter long ladder reaches a window 12 meter high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance up. See, look at this figure, then only you will be able to understand this question. In this question, it is written that this is a ladder which is 15 meter long. And this ladder is placed 12 meter high. This ladder is placed 12 meter high from the ground. So, distance from this to this is 12 meter. Against a wall at a distance up. This is a place against a wall. This is wall and this is placed against a wall. And this is a distance from the wall. Now, find the distance of foot of the ladder from the wall. what you have to do is you have to find the value of this A. See student, this ladder is making 90-degree angle from the wall. So we can use Pythagoras theorem here to find out the value of A. This is hypotenuse, this is the arm of the triangle. So we can find the value of A by using the Pythagoras theorem. So students, you have to draw this figure in your text, in your notebook. In this figure, the foot of the ladder is this one a meter away from the wall. This A, from this to this is a meter away from the wall. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, 15 square, because 15 is the hypotenuse of this right angle. So, 15 square is equal to A square plus 12 square. So, 15 square is equal to A square plus 12 square. Now, we can write this like this also. A square plus 12 square is equal to 15 square. Now A square, therefore A square is equal to 15 square minus 12 square. Now 15 square is equal to 225. 15 times is equal to 225. 12 12 is 144. Now after subtracting 144 from 225, we will get 81. So A square is equal to 81. Again, we have to find out the LCM of this 81. 9 9s are 81. So this 81, 9 square is equal to 81. So in place of 81, we can write 9 square. This square cancel and the value of A is equal to 9 meters. So we can say that the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is 9 meters. So student, that's all for today's video. We will meet again with the remaining questions of exercise 6.5 tomorrow. Up till then, goodbye and thank you.